Look, to hell with this idea of the new normal. And I resent anyone who tells me I need to embrace this idea. What exactly is normal anyway? Normal is always new. I quote Pliny the Elder on this one. The only certainty is uncertainty. Now, that might sound stupid at first, well, no more so than the new normal, but think about it. It's actually really deep thinking. Life is change, period. Leadership is responding to change, and the best leaders cause change to happen deliberately. Leadership is, in many ways, just our willingness to embrace the continual process of transformation. And the best leaders are those who master this process and inspire others to do the same. Now, at certain times in our lives or in our societies, we get lulled into this false sense of normalcy. Usually when things are going relatively smoothly, right? But you never have to go far to find people and situations that don't fit the norm. In times of great prosperity, people still suffer. When most people are healthy, there are still people facing horrible illnesses, and when we feel safe, there are still people who want to do us harm. It takes a good catastrophe once in a while to expose our vulnerability, to put things in perspective, to show us once again that we're a speck of dust in the greater cosmic scheme. I'm not being pessimistic. That's just a cold shot of reality. The fact is, times like these are also opportunities to build resilience and confidence, discover new talents and skills, develop courage and fortitude, and grow as leaders and as people, if we're willing. It's a choice. We either get busy accepting a new normal, whatever the hell that is, or we choose to be flexible, adaptable, and comfortable with uncertainty. I sincerely believe that this strategy will prepare us much better for the days ahead and for the next challenge, whatever it is and whenever it comes.
No New Normal is now available as an online workshop. Jim Bouchard guides your people to embrace uncertainty and find the opportunity in life's greatest challenges. He shows you how to inspire, empower, and guide others, and how to rally your team in the face of uncertainty and adversity. Learn more about Jim and all his virtual and in-person programs at thesenseileader.com.